The person wants to brush his teeth on Shabbat. Very common question. Rabbi, I brush my teeth all week. Shabbat, it's a hard day not to brush your teeth. And what should we do? So there are two problems with brushing teeth. One starts with the brush itself. The brush, sometimes, or for some people it's all the time, when they brush their teeth, they make themselves bleed. And that's asur, to make one bleed on Shabbat, again intentionally, when you know it's for sure going to happen, that's a problem, that's an isur. One is not allowed to do that on Shabbat. Secondly, you have an isur of memareya, where you take the toothpaste and you're actually going to smear it, and it's going to smear against your teeth. That's an isur. You're not allowed to take any kind of cream and smear it, not on your body, not on your teeth. So therefore, taking toothpaste, which is a very hard substance, it's not a liquidy kind of substance. It's not liquid. It's more of a paste kind of substance. That's why it's called toothpaste. And you want to smear it all around inside on your teeth. That has a second issue. So again, for issue number one, where you're going to bleed, if you know, I brush my teeth all the time and I never bleed, I don't have this issue. So that in this case, one would be allowed to use the brush. Again, one should be careful to try to do it lightly, or to use brush that has soft bristles in order not to in any way cause himself to bleed. So again, using a brush where you know for sure you're not going to bleed, and you're doing it gently, and again it's soft bristles, you know you're not going to have any problems, one would be allowed to use that on Shabbat. However, the second problem of toothpaste is still relevant, and therefore one may not use toothpaste. You could brush your teeth without toothpaste, just with a brush, without any toothpaste. There is in the market somewhere out there that they have some kind of toothpaste which they claim is not paste. It's more of a liquid kind of thing. I don't know. Each person has to Listerine. Check it out to make sure. Listerine is something else. Again, if you want to see what they have out there, not the regular toothpaste. The regular toothpaste is asur. They claim there is something that's made for Shabbat where it's not a paste. It's more of a liquid. That would be, again, if it's really a liquid, that would be mutar. The right thing to do is to really use more of a Listerine. You could put it in your mouth, goggle it around, and then, or you could brush it with a brush, and then that would be mutar. However, to use toothpaste on Shabbat that you use all week long, there is no heter, and one may not use it on Shabbat.